Welcome everyone to CypherHaunt. My name is Yuri Lavor, and today we're going to be talking about a new and exciting way how you can invest and trade crypto with Covesting. Now, in this video, I'll share you guys the full review of Covesting, talk about the competition, and do some technical analysis. Now, all of the information here is my opinion only and not a financial advice. So, I got into Covesting back in November when it was just an ICO. And the way that how I got into it is that I saw an ad on Facebook, and then basically they were on Wall Street, and they said day trade, you profit. So as a day trader myself, I was kind of hooked, right? So I went to their website, and now you can actually go to the website and see their demo. So it's live right now. So if you go to their website, covesting.io, you click on the demo, you'll get to the dashboard here. And what it will show you is kind of something that you see when you log into an exchange, right? So it's basically a platform built for the investor and a trader. Now, as an investor, what it helps you with is that you can transfer your money here and you can follow a trader. Now, who you might follow? You basically follow a successful traders that you think, and they all get basically points marked, whatever stars that they have here. And you can see, for example, and this is the secret niche of this cryptocurrency, is that let's say you like this Bobby Gates and you like how he trades, and you see that he has 115% of successful trades of all time. Well, what you can do is you can follow him, and essentially you will copy all of his trades then forward, right? So whatever you invested, whenever he makes the trade, you make the trade, right? And what the benefit to you as an investor is that it'll save you the time for day trading, right? So you can just copy all of the trades that Bobby Gates does, right? Well, what's the benefit for Bobby Gates? Well, basically based on their business model, okay? So the investor will get 72% of the initial investment. The trader will get 18% of success fee, and then the platform will get 10. So as a trader, you're incentivized basically to do more trades and have more people follow you, so you can earn additional 18% on whatever the true money that follows you, right? So basically, it's a win-to-win solution for both the investor and the trader. And it's a niche because no one else is doing that. Now, there are competitors out there, but no one does actual copy trading, okay? And I think the reason how they came up with it was because they have such a successful team. So if you go to their website and you click on the team, you can see that Dmitry right here, the CEO, he has 12 years experience in finances and trading. And you have Tim as well, who's been a long term since 2008, right? And the total team is basically 12 people, and pretty much all of them come from Citibank, JP Morgan, and other banks and financial institutions. So they have a very strong team. They have 5 advisors on their team. And I was able to find out that in January 10th, they actually partner up with Arbitrage Crypto Trader, which allows arbitrage between two exchanges. So I know that as a trader, and by the way, if you are interested in becoming a trader here, you can actually just click apply and you can apply to become a trader. It takes like 30 seconds. You just upload all your trades that you've done for the last 3 months to their website, and then you hear back from them. Okay. Now, okay, so let's get back to this. As a trader, you are incentivized more to trade on the bigger exchanges, the more well-known exchanges like Bittrex, Binance, right? Um, and what this partnership will essentially allow is that kind of exchanges talk between each other, right? So the more trades you do, the more benefit for the trader. And essentially, this is a great partnership because it allows the two exchanges to talk to each other, right? And basically to the platform. Okay. All right, so their roadmap. They have actually, Dmitry made a video not too long ago. I think it came out like a week ago. And you can watch this video, and basically it'll explain you how he actually used the beta version, which is scheduled to come out at the end of this month. So not only that they have a niche, not only that they have a strong team, but they also have a beta coming out at the end of this month, which puts them ahead of all of the competition. Okay, now the beta, I believe it's going to kind of be split up because right now they don't have the actual follow the trader thing. But looking at their white paper, it looks like in July there is going to be the full beta version coming out. So it's a fairly short roadmap. So we don't have to wait for too long. And I really think that this is the time to get in because after the beta launches, and if it will be successful, the price will just skyrocket. And that is due to their low coin supply, which we'll talk about in just a second. All right, so let's look at the competition real quick. The competition there is Genesis Vision, Crypto20, and CoinDash. Now, the way that I got all of these ratings, you guys, is I use the website called coincheckup.com. And what they do is they give you an algorithmic score based on all of the criteria that they judge it on. Okay, so I do like their website because it is associated with a GitHub as well. They show you the activity, they show you how long the team was, they basically the purpose, the news, everything. And I'll leave a link below so you can check out this website as well. All right, so if you go through their website, CoinDash right now, they have a very, very simple website and their team consists of like 2 people. Crypto20, if you go through CoinMarketCap, which I like to look at all of the upcoming news with crypto, right now they don't have anything on horizon. So they basically they don't have anything coming out right now. Okay, so the real potential competitor to Covesting that I see is Genesis Vision. They're kind of close with the rating. However, Covesting does offer the copy trading that Genesis Vision does not. So it's not only that you just put your money and have one person like with Genesis or whatever their whole platform just basically trade that currency. You actually see the people, see the traders who and copy their trade. So currently Covesting is the only crypto that uses that model. Okay, so as for the competitors, I do think they have the niche. And also if you go back to the coin market cap, they have their beta coming out when Genesis Vision has their alpha vision coming out. So they're already a step ahead of the Genesis Vision. Not only that they have the niche, but also they're much quicker with their roadmap. Okay. All right, so let's look at the potential real quick. So I got in an ICO at 90 cents and the current price is $1.11. Now keep in mind that even though this cryptocurrency came out at the peak when it was, booming in December and it all went down, it's still above the ICO price, which is good, right? So we didn't fall down all the way. Now circulating supply is 17,500,000 and the total supply is 20 million. However, the CEO did mention that they're going to burn 10 million of their coin. So it's totally going to be 10 million basically total supply currency. So if you compare it to, for example, Genesis, just if you, let's say, if they're successful, they do the 10 million, they come out with the beta, right? If you just they'll receive um, the same benefit as the Genesis Vision does. And if Genesis Vision has 4.5 million, right? So you're essentially with 10, you're looking at $20. So that is 20 times gain of if you were to invest it in right now. And right now, what you can do is you can go on KuCoin and you can get it for $1.11. Okay, so the potential of it is very high, and I believe strongly that actually, if it does come, they do stick to their roadmap, and their niche is going to basically work where you follow the trader because that's going to be essentially the most important one. This could be, maybe 50 times gain of what you have right now. Okay, so if you go through KuCoin, you can sign up here and you can get the currency through there. They're currently listed there. And you do a little bit of technical analysis. What I found out is this. So basically, based on their Fibonacci retracement, they go about, so it's retracement 70%, right? And they're hitting about 10,000 right here, about 10,000 um, Satoshi level. So what I'm looking at here is potentially for the W to form, right? So it should drop a little bit more here, and my trade is going to be at 10,100 Satoshis. So I'm long term on it, but I want to I want to basically build more position on it. So this is where I would look to. I know it just jumped up, but still, this is what I'm looking at. Basically having the drop and getting it about 10,100 Satoshis. All right. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what coins I can maybe cover later. And thank you very much. See you on the next video.